Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Meta Business Suite. Back to Facebook Business Manager. If you're currently in Meta Business Suite and want to switch back to the classic Facebook Business Manager view, the process is very quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and make the change without confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're already signed into the correct account and that you're viewing the business you want to manage. Once the page loads, you should be on the main Business Suite dashboard, where you can see your navigation menu and business tools. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the screen. This is where you'll need to look for the Help option. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, this area may appear slightly compressed, so if you don't spot it immediately, take a moment to scan the lower left corner carefully. It's usually placed near the bottom of the side navigation panel. Once you've found Help, go ahead and click on it. This will open the support-related menu or panel connected to Meta Business Suite. The option you need is located from there, so this click is what gives you access to the path back to the older Business Manager layout. After selecting Help, look for the option that says Go to Business Manager. When you see it, click it. This will take you out of the Meta Business Suite interface and return you to Facebook Business Manager. That's all there is to it. The key part of this process is knowing that the switchback is accessed through the Help section rather than through the main settings or navigation menus. If the option doesn't appear right away, it may help to refresh the page or make sure you're in the correct business account before checking the Help menu again. Once you've switched over, you can continue managing your business assets in the Business Manager environment you're more familiar with. If you use these tools often, it can also be helpful to bookmark the Business Manager page after switching, so it's easier to return to it later. Thanks for following along. You should now be back in Facebook Business Manager.